Senior .NET devs, you ever spend weeks perfecting code that zero customers have touched? You already know this reminder for senior .NET developers. No matter how much you prepare, you don't know what you don't know until you get customers. You might be perfecting the wrong things. That refactor that you're polishing, it might not matter. The edge case that you're handling, it might never happen. You're guessing on what's important, and guessing is expensive. When I was building DevNitro, I caught myself doing this weeks into perfecting a workflow that I was sure clients would need. First world client gets in, they didn't care about that workflow. In fact, they wanted to use their GitHub Copilot subscription inside the framework. And that was on my list, but it wasn't a priority. It took me a couple hours to add it. Meanwhile, I'd spent weeks on something that they would never touch. The mental shift is simple. Stop perfecting in a vacuum. Ship it and let real users show you where it hurts. Ask yourself one question. Do I have real users telling me this matters? If the answer is no, then ship what you have. Get in front of people. Let their feedback tell you what to perfect next. Your users will teach you more in 1 week than your assumptions will in a month. So stop polishing and start shipping. I'm Chad Carter, helping .NET teams ship production apps faster. You already know what you're doing, so now go and ship it. And hey, if this helped, you know the drill. Plus, you may want to go ahead and share this with a dev that you like. And I'll see you in the next video.